Good day everyone and welcome to the video. This is my 7 segment push button counter. This is the Arduino, the push button so that you can add and subtract. These are the LEDs. This is the 7 segment display and finally the buzzer. First I made my Arduino in Tinkercad and then put the coding so that I can know if the Arduino and all of the components works. Then after that, I made the actual. I uploaded the code here in the Arduino, and then this is how it works. Again, the push buttons, the LED indicator, the resistors, the buzzer, and the 7 segment display. The right button is for adding, and then the left button is for subtracting 1. Then I made a program. If I reach the number 9, it will return back to 0. I don't know why, but sometimes when I press the button once, it counts as 2 times the number. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.